Hi students, 12th standard Computer Science Chapter 5 Python Variables and Operators. Today we are going to learn input output functions, indentation, comments. Let us see input and output functions. Input function means it helps to enter the data at runtime by the user. Output function, that is, we used a print function. It is used to display the result of the program on the screen after execution. Print function. Print function is used to display the result on the screen. Example, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6, z is equal to x plus 5y. Here it print the result 11. The print function evaluates the expression before printing it on a monitor. The print displays an entire statement which is specified within a print statement. Comma is used as a separator in print to print more than one item. Input function. Input function is used to accept data as input at runtime. Syntax for input function: variable equal to input prompt string, where prompt string in the syntax is a statement or message to the user to know what input can be given. The input takes whatever it is typed from the keyword and store the entered data in the given variable. If prompt string is not given in input, no message is displayed on the screen. Let us see the simple example for input function. X is equal to int of input enter number 1. Here int means it is used to convert string data as integer. Y is equal to int input enter number 2. Print the sum is equal to x plus y. Now the output is enter number 1 34 and number 2 40. The sum is equal to 74. Next one is comments in Python. Comments always begins with hash symbol. The line that begins with the hash are considered as comments and it is ignored by the Python interpreter. Comments may be a single line or number of multiple lines. Indentation. Python uses white spaces such as spaces and tabs. All statements within a block must be indented with same amount spaces. The next one is tokens. Tokens, it is the smallest individual unit in a program. Python breaks each logical line into a sequence of elementary lexical components is called token. The normal token types are identifiers, keywords, operators, delimiters and literals. Now we'll start with identifier. In simple word, identifier is also called variable. An identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, class, module or object. The following rules is used to create identifier. An identifier must start with an alphabet or underscore. Identifier may contain digits. Python identifiers are case sensitive. Here case sensitive means either we need to type in uppercase or in lowercase. Identifier must not be a Python keyword. Python does not allow punctuation characters like module, $, at, etc. within identifier. Thank you students.